Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and today, we're diving deep into the platform I use for crypto trading, Newton Finance. The title says it all, best Newton Finance features you're not using? I've been using it for a while, and honestly, I was missing out on some core features that have made my trading much smoother. You might be too. So, let's get straight to the point and make sure you're getting the most out of your experience. Feature 1, the invisible low-cost spread. Straight to the point, educational tone. First up, the spread. I know, everyone talks about no commission fees, but here's what I learned that changed my trading approach. Newton makes its money on the spread, the small difference between the buy and sell price. My experience, initially, I just focused on the big numbers. But I found that compared to other Canadian exchanges, Newton's spread is often significantly lower in practice. This means on larger trades, you're actually keeping more of your crypto. Actionable tip, don't just look at the no-fee banner. Check the final price you're getting before you hit buy or sell. Over time, that tighter spread is a huge, often unused, cost-saving feature for frequent traders. Feature 2, network fee coverage. Helpful, practical tone. This one is a total game changer, especially for anyone who moves their crypto off the exchange regularly, network fee coverage. The problem, when you send crypto to an external wallet or another exchange, you have to pay a network fee, the gas. These fees can be unpredictable and, frankly, eat into your withdrawal. My experience, I was manually calculating and worrying about these costs. What I didn't realize until later is that Newton actually covers a portion of these network fees, often up to a certain CAD amount, for most coins. Actionable tip, use this. It removes the stress of high fee days when you need to transfer quickly. Knowing a part of that fee is covered means I can consolidate my assets to cold storage with greater confidence and less cost anxiety. Feature 3, the advanced order type or limit orders. Focus on efficiency and strategy. Next, for the strategic traders out there, and even for beginners who want to sleep better, we need to talk about limit orders. The misconception, many new users, myself included at first, only use market orders, you buy or sell right now at the current price. My experience, I started using limit orders to automate my buys and sells. This feature lets you set a price you want to pay or you want to sell at. If the market hits that number, the order executes, even if you're not watching. Actionable tip, don't just manually check the charts all day. Set a low limit buy for a price you hope the market dips to, and set a high limit sell for a target profit. It's an easy way to stick to your investment plan and avoid emotional trading. Feature 4, instant account verification. Quick, essential security-focused note. And finally, a feature that you might have used once and forgotten about, but is a core part of the system, instant account verification. The security aspect, while it's great for getting started quickly, the technology behind it, often integrated with services like Plaid, is designed for high security and is a testament to the platform's commitment to speed and compliance. My experience, the smooth and fast verification meant less time waiting and more time securing my assets. Actionable tip, make sure your bank is linked correctly using their secure transfer methods, like Interac e-transfers or Plaid verified transfers, to ensure your deposits and withdrawals are always fast and reliable. Don't default to slower methods just because they're familiar. So there you have it, for key Newton Finance features that I believe every user should be actively utilizing. From the low-cost spread saving you money to using limit orders to automate your strategy, making these simple changes can truly optimize your crypto experience on the platform. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this useful, hit the like button, let me know your favorite Newton feature in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. I'll see you in my next video.